Minister Lode Yaita Kironu Koteso, Dr. Clement Kenneth Ongalo Bote, Etegea, Akiron Wikamna Keda Duko, Nakada Esomero Loka Alwa Seed Senior Secondary School, Kotomotem Loka Alwa, Ko District Loko Kaberamaido.
This has been a groundbreaking ceremony for the building of Alwa Community Secondary School, which in time we hope that we will get enough funding from the government to commission and have it built as a seed secondary school, a complete seed secondary school. But today, with funds from Ministry of Social Affairs, which is a ministry in OPM, totaling 300 million, we have begun construction of 4 classrooms and 2 5-stand split latrines. That will officially be the beginning of this school.
Aina petanu kesda poni kitolosi kutomna boista kobira ide ubusa kinti kwana Esomero Loka Alwa Seed ay got kanalem ejai don kwana ay boisti na itetet Ongalo inerane pepeke di uriak ngesabu ko limdabe apugang neschuta kapaina kanukai gang akironi kamana kiteda ashoman Arai ekariele polonoi kamejas iuriak kanukada ito dundai belolana eponiodo ageun aduk Esomero ekalana kada adaut ikarwe dreti wini omamda edukita dio duketai konyele rapolon Esomero Loka Board of Governors George Williams Egweu ngesalim daibe
Manado Piretek otieko kieko moro science laboratory kid ICT PN government is emphasizing on the teaching of sciences.
Lord Rapolon Esomero Loka Alwa Seed Senior Secondary School Francis Atubo ngesta limda ebe
in lemo kucha ka oti yo ti pe ko twang ude me kucha udo ding dokoli achil nando mando rukelo ka ber ka laj ka olingi ber ame isoma medor bedi ber sana
ingara no kolwe gita Loka District Loko Kaberamaido kesda pot ko jawnos kotomanda asuban nukada geun abokun keda sipoin amatapalun kanokada ageun adukun Esomero lo Kosode uria kicheda kesa yala masi kikarie tekede mujira kanoka nyonda begeun aduko ido iche kesa yala mas daibe ebuni age duko na Esomero kana ayon ajulan kinetanu ipuno kotomna da tutubeteke
poyo sasa ndio dededo te ko poyo piane kelne wadonga beri ide war somdiko kame ko diot kede arabo kampala arabo benye kando chichiek litwaro udo ko transport amedo ke iromo kwanyo dido kitero ka pat kan cheche kidwe lokra do kidwaro bedo dido tot
poyo sana piente suguluni ora mine dwege oksome i primary 1 dia ko kobor paka isini bongo transport aro bot ke transport mi dwe o to ka bojo mami apoyo suguluni sana
onyinge TV East ko Kaberamaido district